example, we'll be using the Jet horizontal vertical bandsaw to cut sheet metal in the vertical position. Start by turning the power switch to the on position. In this example, you'll want to have the blade guide adjusted down to its lowest position, especially when you're cutting thinner materials, so that you get better tracking with your blade and less deflection or twisting. Feed your materials into the blade with a constant pressure without forcing the material. Carefully slide the piece out straight along your cut before switching to another crosscut. Once your cut is complete, always be sure to turn the power switch off before clearing your piece from the blade. You can also use the vertical position to cut a radius into your material, but be sure to use the appropriate blades for your specific material. Learn more about the Jet horizontal vertical bandsaw on our website. And don't forget that your bandsaw comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.